Okay, this is the last section in Chapter 7, Geometry, and we'll be talking about proportional segments between parallel lines. So, C64 tells us that if a line parallel to one side of a triangle passes through the other two sides, then it divides the other two sides proportionally. And conversely, if a line cuts two sides of a triangle proportionally, then it is parallel to the third side. So in other words, if this is parallel to this, so given that this is parallel to this, then it divides these sides such that A over C equals B over D. Also, this over the whole thing is congruent to this over the whole thing. Those would be the same ratio. Because if you think about this, if this is parallel to this, then this triangle is similar to the whole thing. And also, this conversely part, if this line cuts this triangle in such a way that this over this equals this over this, then I know that this is parallel to that third side. Okay, C65 says that if two or more lines pass through two sides of a triangle parallel to the third side, two lines parallel to the third side, then they divide the two sides proportionally. So if these are parallel to the third side, obviously they're parallel to each other. Then this over this equals this over this equals this over this. Okay. Let's do a problem from your worksheets. Let's do number 9. All right. So it's telling me that these two are parallel to the third side. All three of these lines are parallel. So I know that 4 over P is equal to 3 over 4. Cross multiplying, solve for P. P is 16/3. And then I also want to know what Q is. So I know that 2 over 3 is equal to Q over 4. 2 over 3 is equal to Q over 4. Cross multiply. And that gives me that Q is equal to 8/3. And that's it for Chapter 7.